Hi, everyone. This is Dr. Kyle Olson. I want to take a moment to talk about the link between chiropractic adjustments and your immune system, and specifically how chiropractic adjustments can actually help to lessen the severity and the length of sickness or symptoms when you are sick. Now, we are exposed to germs and things that can potentially cause illness throughout the year. We're exposed many, many times every day. If you've ever seen studies or videos or things where they will show just the various germs that are on everyday items around your house, your office, you probably realize that your body is under a constant bombardment of entities that are trying to make you sick. And what makes you sick one time versus any other time that you're exposed is really the state of your immune system going into that exposure. So germs play a role, of course, in invading and causing that response, or what we call sickness, which is really just the symptoms of your body trying to kill off and get rid of that invading body. While they certainly play a role, the reality is you're exposed so many times each and every day from so many different surfaces to so many different pathogens that your immune system is what dictates the 2, 3, 4, 5 times that you may get sick throughout the year. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less for the individual based on that individual's body's ability to fight off. So how does chiropractic adjustment actually help boost your immune system, prevent you from getting sick, as well as when you do get sick, lower the length and the severity of those symptoms? Well, there's a couple different ways. The first is that it's been shown time and time again through studies that regular chiropractic adjustments helps to elevate the floor of your immune system, which just means that when you maintain a healthy spine, you maintain a healthy nervous system, and the benefits that come with that, which means alignment of the lymphatic system, the circulatory system, all the systems that go into what defines your immune system. When that's maintained, your body is operating at a higher level, and so you're less likely to get sick when you're exposed on a daily basis. Now, it doesn't mean that chiropractic care prevents all illnesses, of course, but it means that it gives you a chance of better ability to fight those things off because it's already prepared in defense. The second way that it helps is it actually boosts the activity for a period of time, anywhere from a couple minutes to a couple hours, of several of the immune markers in your blood or different types of cells that your body uses in order to fight off an invading pathogen. Specifically, studies have shown interleukin 2 is boosted for several hours after you're adjusted, as well as the activity of T cells, which are one of the primary cells that your body uses to fight off disease. Now, this doesn't mean that an adjustment stops the symptoms as soon as you're adjusted, of course, but it means that essentially your body's creating these extra cells and increasing the activity of the ones that exist to call in reinforcements essentially. Now, the other way that it helps, and this is one that sometimes gets overlooked or one that isn't discussed very often in studies, but it actually helps with the flow and improvement of the lymphatic system. Your lymphatic system and your nervous system communicate with one another. And think of your lymphatic system as essentially the waste disposal system in your body. So when a foreign body is invaded, whether it's a virus, a bacteria, a fungi, whatever it is, it creates a lot of waste, both good and bad cells and the aftermath of those battles. And your lymphatic system has to be able to drain those out of your body, detox it out. We don't want those to build up. That creates toxicity and other issues. And if your lymphatic system is blocked up, if it's not moving well, if it's not aligned well, if all the systems in place aren't operating, well, it gets backed up and it gets harder to clear it out. So it's important to have a properly functioning lymphatic system to get rid of all that stuff after the battle is done. And your chiropractic adjustments help with that as well. So there's a couple different ways that chiropractic helps, whether you choose to employ it on a regular basis in order to help prevent disease, if you choose to be adjusted while you're experiencing symptoms to help to reduce, hopefully, the length and severity of those symptoms, and just overall helping your body detox both when you're feeling symptomatic and not through your lymphatic system. So there's lots of benefits to chiropractic adjustments. This is an important one. I hope to see you soon in the office being adjusted. Stay well. I'll see you soon.